This pound cake is so extra. In addition to the copious amounts of butter and sugar you find in all pound cakes, this one has cream cheese and crushed Oreos in it too. Cause if we're gonna eat 1,000,000 calories, why not throw in a few more? The cream cheese makes it so tender that it just melts in your mouth, and the Oreos give it a nostalgic feel. Feel free to omit the Oreos for a plain cream cheese pound cake or add crushed Biscoff cookies or nuts. This pound cake would be great as is, but I added a glaze, crushed Oreos, whipped cream, and more Oreos. To start, add 3 sticks of unsalted, softened butter to a large bowl. Add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and beat until creamy. Now add 3 cups of white sugar gradually and cream together until light and fluffy. Now add 5 eggs one at a time. Mix in each one only until the egg is no longer visible. Scrape the sides of the bowl periodically. Now mix in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we will add the dry ingredients in 3 batches alternating with the milk. I first sifted in 1 cup of cake flour. Mix gently with a wire whisk just until combined. Now add in a half cup of whole milk and mix. Now sift in another cup of cake flour. This time also adding a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a heaping teaspoon of table salt. Mix gently. Now add in another half cup of milk and mix. Now sift in the final cup of cake flour with another 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix until just combined. Now with a spatula, fold in 15 to 20 coarsely crushed Oreos. Pour the batter into a greased and floured bundt pan. Make sure there is a little room at the top for the cake to rise. Depending on the size of your pan, there might be leftover batter. Bake in a preheated 325-degree oven for about an hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before inverting. Enjoy warm or cool completely before decorating. First, I poured over a simple glaze of powdered sugar and water, then I sprinkled on Oreo crumbs, then I decorated with whipped cream and Oreos. Slice and serve. Enjoy.